Examination 2018, new website for making available details of Manipur student outside the state to be launched. Pulse polio immunization launched all across the country. Over 3,000 polio booths set up in 12 districts of the state. Manipur State Kala Academy confers Academy Fellow Award 2014 to Kumantem Prakash and Khetrimayum Ongbi Thaurani Shabi. Narcotic and Affairs of Border NAB destroys poppy plant estimated to be worth around 5 crore rupees yesterday. And Mandalay women football team beats the Manipur team in the last match of the two-day Indo-Myanmar friendly match exhibition match. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Chief Minister Nongthornmam Biren wished success to students appearing in Class 10 examination conducted by BOSUM and Class 12 examination conducted by COSUM this year. He also urged them to appear in the examination sincerely without using unfair means. Addressing the students appearing in the board exam this year at a well-wishing ceremony organized by the Education Department at Hatta Kangjebung Palace Compound today, the Chief Minister announced cash awards of 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 3 lakh rupees each to the first, second and the third position holders respectively in BOSUM's Class 10 and COSUM 12 examination 2018. Biren also declared cash awards of 1 lakh rupees each to students securing the top 25 position in the examination, as well as cash awards for topper students at the district level. He advised students gathered at the event not to pursue education only for securing government jobs. The Chief Minister stated that the government of Manipur has completed digitization of service books for around 16,000 government school teachers. Biren further announced that a website to make details of students studying outside the state available online will be launched on 1st of February this year. The Chief Minister appealed to the students studying outside the state to enter their details such as their place of residence, names of schools or colleges, etc. in the soon-to-be-launched website. He stated that the students who have entered their details in the website to be insured a sum of 2 lakh rupees in case of death and 50,000 rupees will be entitled to each student victim of any untoward incidents. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham, top officials of the Education Department, students and the teachers of schools and colleges in the state attended the event. However, attendance of students who are appearing in this year's Class 10 and 12 board examination was quite low at the well-wishing event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯠꯊꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯗꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯨꯟꯅ ꯀꯨꯞꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯨꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ lack of education ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ knowledge ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ selfish ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯎꯪꯈꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ educated single like Aikoida, Masi, Aikoida, Soy, the society, the Soy, the Sicarino, like Tamakumatam, the one Nangi Sauraga, Nangi metric to Nangi graduate to Lawyer and Egomes, Service Samatauraga, Namana Pagis Havata, Wudamiko, high concept, Amaka education be brought up. We have to sense the dimension, we have to sense the vision.
Minister Thokchom Radhesham asserted that proper education will bring an end to all kinds of problems. He opined that with a proper education, a good conduct will ensure. Radhesham maintained that his recent inspection at Government Education Institute in the state witnessed lack of adequate infrastructure and at the same time the desire of the teacher to impart quality education and student to attain a proper education were seen. He said the state government is putting the highest effort to revolutionize education sector in the state and appeal for people's cooperation in this endeavor. Radhesham donated his 1 month salary to buy the school shoes of students of government school from class 1. The Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren also announced that he will provide the remaining amount of money to buy the shoes on the occasion.
Angang singi center dagi paisa khara uniform pirak pasira khunguk ki paisa se yawrakte to hanak ki class 5 hongdang khunguk ki paisa se leitar se kari tawse khana bakan akoi sarkar gi akoi chhatro na akoi sa su ngata ne akoi leiri haibase utkado bale karbai utkani maduri class 1 ina 5 fauge angang sing sira khunguk amam tang or se leira pi na ba akoi gi torop tagi angam ka thokse haina hainaru bodagi ngasi se akoi oza ayamba compulsory nate voluntary oina masa masa na hajira kodagi akoi angam ma paisa khara akoi oza oi ba sarkar gi oza oi ba employee kangbu akoi na aina di ai isa gi oina di thamagi tolop aduma ai kathok ceremony ai angang sing gi khung lebi damata adu oza sing na angam kathok ne ne won takire.
Pulse polio drops will be administered to children below 5 years of age on a National Immunization Day today. President Ramnath Kovind launched the countrywide Pulse Polio program for the year yesterday by administering polio drops to a child at the function at Rashtrapati Bhavan. The program will cover around 17 crore children to maintain the country's polio-free status. Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization Program 2018 are carried out all over the state today. Many polio booths are being set up at local clubs and schools across the state. Asha workers, Angawadi workers and nurse volunteers administered polio drops to children under 5 years. Parents brought their children to polio booths for immunization. Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar launched Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization Program 2018 by administering polio drops to children under 5 years. The minister appealed to the mothers to take role in eradicating polio disease. The program was jointly organized by Health and Family Welfare Services and State Health Society Manipur at the Family Welfare Services complex located at the heart of Imphal city. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Jayant Kumar appealed to all the mothers to timely immunize their children. He said, neglecting timely immunization will not affect their children, but it can also spread to other children. 3,585 polio booths are being opened in 12 districts to immunize 250,282 children in the state.
Manipur Gaktanate, Mas India, Mahum Gudimakle, Pandam Nakarino, and Habit Targeting, for all polio lina and Habasi, Mas India soil legi, Barki soil legi, pull up eradicator, she prep to say Habigi, Pandam Colonial Sanghilak Makaliponi, Masum Hai Hankichita, Manipur Gitongan Tongamajaka, Hell Unit, Kashi programs, Angalwadi workers, Asha workers, doctor, nurses, Mayam Yauna, Tim Winita, whatever habitat, Manipur Dagi, Pulse polio programs, Masimbana, Bangto Matunda, Masi eradicate over, Sumantur State Good Market program, Barber Sangla Dagi, Pulse polio program, the Bangtoga, polio and Nava, and Haiba Anavase, Masi, Lotok Nanabi Bandam near the Masi, Prajaka Sajo Mayam Changi.
To effectively administer oral polio drop as a part of Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization IPPI program, 462 polio booths are being opened in Imphal East District. Speaking to media persons, Imphal East District Deputy Commissioner T.H. Chitra today appealed to the local club volunteers and Mairapaibi members to extend support in the polio immunization program. The polio immunization program for the district was launched at the Office of Chief Medical Officer Porompat by Deputy Commissioner by administering 2 polio drops to the children between 0 to 5 years. For intensive immunization of the children, the program is jointly organized by District Administration and District Medical Officer. The DC further said that the medical team, including medical officer, ASHA workers, nurses and local volunteers will conduct door-to-door polio immunization for 2 days in the entire Imphal East District. Imphal East District Chief Medical Officer Dr. K.H. Indra on the occasion said that polio virus is still existing in the neighboring countries like Bangladesh and that polio immunization to the children is very important in India. He said that for intensive and effective polio immunization in the state, inter-district bus terminals and polio booths, especially in the remote areas, are also opened.
Koi sehi 0 dagina 5 years po leba angang sing asi hairiba program asina cover tawna ba haidana ngasi akoina booth 462 district sida hangtok tuna akoi masigi program si chathabani aduga makha tarakpo oina mathangi numit nini sidasu koigi angang sing hujik hairiba koigi 0 to 5 years sida cover toba nanghoda basi akoigi medical team na koigi officers sing sina yum da chatna hairiba si thananda ba angang sing sisu cover tawna ba hona jagani
akoina mobile booth kharasu ngasagi maruina akoi transit point oiba ISBT gumba adagi si hata golapati yangang bokpi akoigi not only Imphal East district ki khakta natana ngasai 0 to 5 si kana ngasi langpai chana ba khona ba ISP the bus tongba lakpa anywhere dagi waragasu akoina madu lap out tawdana ba ina akoi adumasu yaujari.
As a part of the first phase of polio immunization of the year under the National Immunization Program, Thoubal District DC L. Navakishore launched the program of the district at DC Bungalow by administering 2 polio drops to children. Speaking to media persons, DC L. Navakishore said that the district targets to immunize 45,200 children and that 475 booths, 95 dispensaries, 11 monitors and 391 ASHA workers have been engaged for the purpose. CMO Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayantakumar, District Family Welfare Officer Dr. N. Akendra, DPM of a District Health Society Thoubal, CH Basanta were among those present on the occasion. A 3-day National Immunization Day cum Intensified Pulse Polio Immunization Program 2018 was also launched at Moreh. Officer of Technopole District Immunization Dr. T.H. Gozendro, Commanding Medical Officer of 11th Assam Rifle Dr. T.N.K. Ching, Assistant Commissioner ADC Moreh MO in charge of Moreh Health Primary Center Dr. Santikumar launched the program at the Moreh Primary Health Center by administering polio drops to children below 5 years of age. Dr. Santikumar said the program aims to administer polio drops to 4,123 children of 101 villages under Moreh block in the first phase. He also maintained that the program hopes to immunize not only children within the Indian territory of Moreh, but even the children in surrounding remote areas of Myanmar. Another polio immunization program was also conducted under the aegis of 11th Assam Rifle at the Indo-Myanmar Gate number 1 and 2. The immunization program was held under the guidance of Captain of 11th Assam Rifle Augustus at Gate number 1 and under guidance of Commandant Chief Medical Officer Dr. T.N.K. Ching at Gate number 2. Khumanthem Prakash and Khetrimayum Ongbi Tharani Shabi were conferred the Academy Fellow Award for the year 2014 sponsored by Manipur State Kala Academy today. Khumanthem Prakash, a prominent figure in the field of Manipuri literature and for his contribution in promoting the Manipuri language, was honored with the award. On the other hand, Khetrimayum Ongbi Tharani Shabi is a prominent figure in the field of Manipuri dance and music, and she was conferred with the award for her contribution and aesthetic talent in the field. Young Talented Awards were also presented to 25 other young artists who excelled in the field of dance, music, theatre, Shumang Lila, traditional theatre, Gaura Lila, Thangta, Wari Liba, traditional costume designing, tribal culture, literature, fine arts on the occasion. Governor of Manipur and Chairperson of Manipur Kala Academy, Dr. Najma Haptullah, who graced the event as a chief guest at Maharaja Chandakriti Auditorium, said, "The profound Manipur classical dance, Ras Lila, has reserved a place in the map of culture of the world." She reiterated that UNESCO has given recognition to the Manipuri Nata Sankirtan as a representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity. She expressed that since the establishment of Manipur State Kala Academy in the year 1972, the academy is striving towards promotion and preservation of the state's cultural heritage. The governor also lauded Chief Minister and the Minister of Art and Culture for their efforts in promoting the art and culture of the state.
Manipur, the jewel land, is known to outside world for its rich art and cultural heritage. While Ras Leela, the classical Manipuri dance, is world famous and has put Manipur on the cultural map of the world, the Manipuri Nata Sankirtana, the ritual singing, dancing and drumming, has been included in the representative list of UNESCO's intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The cultural mosaic of the state is extremely colorful.
Speaking on the occasion, Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar said that Manipur is rich in art and culture. He said, despite being a poor state, Manipur still excels in the field of sports, arts and culture. He maintained that the post of a regular secretary for the academy is vacant and that a minute discussion with the governor of Manipur will be held. The post will soon be filled for smooth functioning of the institution. Jayantakumar maintained that the government will work as much it can to promote the art and culture of the state.
Department department में ताना Manipur arts and culture से चाकुना न बटोप सेगे and हाइबी मतंगा कोई हम synchronize तो मतलब vision न कोई हम flip ले बिना से ममा गई मतलब नत्रे अनु मतलब अनु मतलब new era होई बने ना we need to have new concepts, new ideas, new philosophies अतः अनु मतलब pot तक कई उसी at the national level, international level, karama monda I can compete with again. And I have seen say,
a team of Narcotic and Affairs of Border (NAB) destroyed a large number of poppy plants which was cultivated at around 99 acres at Thawai Kuki village under Litan police station yesterday. Team of NCB, Additional SP, Operation Ukhrul District, SDPO, Litan Police, 8 IRP Commando, 7th Manipur Rifles, unarmed police personnel of Imphal East and Imphal West District were also present at the drive. Speaking to media person, OC of NAB, Laishram Santosh said, the poppy plants destroyed yesterday were estimated to be worth around 5 crore rupees in the market. He said there are still 200 to 300 acres more to be destroyed.
Narcotic and Border Affairs of Border NCB team armed personnel 8 IRB 7 MRE personnel singa Ukhrul district ki additional SP amasung STPO Osina help toraga Thawai Kuki ki hujik lein famsida acre 99 gumba ogadaba ekaram ki poppy thaba jaga ekoi hujik destroy tawre makha thana koi mai thado khare jaga sida ekoi na destroy toriba poppy pambi singsigi value na ekoi market ki rate ta Chaurana crore manga gumba admani estimate oigani.
Speaker Yumnam Khemchan asserted that Sports University is a pay-off Manipur receive for its role and contribution in the field of sports in the country. He appealed to the people to work together not to lose the faith the central government keeps in the state. He was speaking at the District Trial Selection 2018 of GAIL Indian Speed Star Season 3 organized by National Yuva Cooperative Society Limited at Kumalampak Men's Stadium today. The speaker said that sports help in shaping an individual into becoming a well-mannered, disciplined personality. He said that people need to know the role sports play in molding a good society. Khemchan also appealed to all to work together to turn the wish of Prime Minister Narendra Modi that India will clinch not less than 50 gold medals in the upcoming Olympic Games into reality. Trial of budding athletes were also held at the event.
Yankai Tadana gold medal, Hanganaba Hodagani, Havi Pandama Doina, Sensilatana, Toanpa Hanavi, Bharat ki leramba sports federation ki kari ki leramba system dugi app to salakanda kogi ground dagi real ground dagi sport talent si han tawdana usali basi mangoloi boy suno maroina labdamasi gi Manipuri si now isa sing punamak mangoloi boy suno hebo hamsi thamdarakanda punamak dagi tejenna bayathan nijen.
Spokesperson of MPCC and Thangmeiban MLA Kumukchom Joy Kishan appealed to the educated youth of Manipur not to idly wait for the white-collar jobs only, but to venture out ways and means for self-employment. He also urged the state government to provide opportunities and facilitate the educated unemployed in their journey to self-employment. MLA Joy Kishan was speaking at the inaugural event of a fast food named Yumphal at Chingmeirom Maning Laikai near Assembly Gate number 1 today. He maintained that it will be prudent if all the banks in the state facilitate loans to the youth within a short period of time, as money is requisite in funding entrepreneurship. Proprietor of the fast food, R.K. Kartik, said that American breakfast along with various other cuisines will be available at the reasonable price at Yumphal.
Mark government service phangdraga so any means taraga ai income lakna ba hotna bom thoi wakalon se masi Manipur masa khodi manna masi wakalon se chen fai bank sing government sing da appeal tawning badi masana masabu chen thokchan na ba honari ba myo sing sida bank na so emphasis pibi ba tangai phadana asigum laba honari ba sing se taseng na thabak toru sing sida bank na masi matam thidadana loan pidna masi chakhana ba honaraga di Manipur gi laiba unemployment prevalence se yam chauna mai pakarin khali sarkar na su sugumba innovative ideas leiba thabak missing se sigi tongan bes ki mo paikhala Manipur gi thabok phangde na sing se ko gi kangau na dana nakal da phaireng tweng tawgidu lambi de kanna ba haiduna ani leiba government si su appeal tawsari.
Publicity Secretary of the Steering Committee, Nupilal Memorial Association of Manipur, Peter Longjum, felicitated Asha Kiran Konsama, the first runners-up in Mrs. Iowa 2017, held at Lokhandwala Park, Mumbai on 7 December last year, with cash award at the premise of the association at Tera Kaithel. It may be mentioned that Asha Kiran also got Mrs. Talented and Mrs. Best Fit Body subtitle at the set beauty pageant for the merit women of the country. Speaking on the occasion, Asha Kiran Konsam asserted that she will further take part in national and international contests to bring up the image of the state and also appeal for public support and encouragement.
Contest asi matang selection phangona maram oidana ahamada khoi Manipur degi represent Manipur degi oina state wise ta khale adu matung da mu state wise ta ge mu national level dam khalapani national level degi matung ina khoi je international level da lakgi chances phangol lai kai gi habada khoi je ai state macha do represent toraga country se mu represent tawdani karigumba leba khaduna khalak pataragadi aisu amasung aigi Manipur gi imaleba ki minjak program gi tamakta adum angamba thakta honajage.
The week-long Hill Valley Residential Children's Cultural Exchange Learning Program at the Sri Sri Balmukundo Dev Music College Palace Gate, which commenced on January 26, concluded today. The valedictory program was held at the mini theatre of the college. Children from Tamilong and Imphal Valley jointly presented 3 innovative dance drama based on popular folktale Asha and Maitrong, Sandrenmi Chaisra, and a folk dance series of Rongmei and Meitei cultural traditions under the direction of Director Manipuri Dance Foundation School Guru Mayum Chaya on the occasion. The program, undertaken as individual project under the Cultural Function and Production Grant Scheme CFPGS 2017 of the Ministry of Culture, was participated by 20 children between the age of 6 to 14 years, including young boys and girls from Tamilong and Imphal Valley. Director of JN Dance Academy L. Upindro, member of PAGE, CFPGS and NEJCC, Khetri Jugindro, President of AMCO Prem Vaipai were among those present at the event. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on the Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar's announcement to set up organic outlets in various areas of Imphal East and Imphal West districts. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister T. Shyamkumar stated that organic outlets will be opened in various areas of Imphal East and Imphal West district to make available various organic fruits, vegetables and other organic products by the first week of February this year. He further stated that such outlets will also be set up soon in Thoubal and Bishnupur districts. Minister Shyamkumar was speaking at the launch of brand Organic Manipur produced by RK Fortune Developers Private Limited under the aegis of Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA. The launching event was organized under the initiative of Mission Organic Value Chain Development for Northeastern Region at Hotel Imphal today. Shyamkumar also emphasized the need to consume organic foods for health and well-being. He reiterated that the need to eat healthy organic foods and give up any kinds of intoxicants. Shyamkumar asserted that people in the state need to change their attitudes that foods produced outside the state are more healthy. The minister said that the government will also take steps to install technology in each organic outlets to identify organic products from the non-organic ones to make Manipur an organic state. Shyamkumar urged individuals concerned to put efforts in developing such technology and assured of assistance from the government. He said, however, if officials concerned do not make field trips and train the farmers on organic products, all such efforts will be in vain. The Forest Minister stated that a tree plantation will be carried out right after the Chief Minister's initiative to destroy all poppy plants grown vastly in various parts of the state by March this year.
Manipur I am Husipudi Kanotore, Census Kalad, 70-80% census. Mipan Tang Labor. Marumaka Mapandu Marusi Takadam Habasi, Wakalum Labor. Adaki, Fertilizer Hapasu, as when the diamond Gumba Yurekum have to report party, as you can see on the quick course lady. If you forget it, Aquina Ramika was some Programme, but no simple Tolakan, we put Moxie, my Pacadori. And Isana is about hazards at the Naquizu, Aquisa organic women the car lady. Quasashta, Quasi, Kanaka organic way, the gate, Quasa, talk on organic way, when the first step, that's obvious. It's actually organic way in the equation. Quasa Sally, Kanita Sally, use Taxali. She is actually organic way. We are the human beings with the old Manipuri need to fast to make it organic peoples. A quay organic way with the Galadi. Kaduka, a quasi machine can't Tarakanda, Pharmacy Galu, Tata, we never. A quay can't tatri. I don't know, Quina, Ganta, is that.
The 1990-91 metric batch of Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School held its second annual get-together today. Chief guest at the event and alumni of the school, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan, stated that election culture in Manipur has highly deteriorated and appealed to students alumni of the school to help in rectifying the culture by enlightening the people in the state. Speaking further at the annual get-together event held at Hotel Christina in Pauna Bazaar, Speaker Khemchan asserted that his discipline and sincere determination right from his school days as a student attained him the position of a speaker today. He maintained that he did not win the election by the might of money. He dedicated his success to his teachers for all that they have taught him and to the discipline that he rendered towards them. Speaking in the event, ex-student of the school, editor of Pongnafam Delhi, Aribam Ravindra, opined that a sense of unity is required to create love and harmony in the state and will eventually bring peace. He called for love and harmony right from one's home for unity and harmony in the state at large. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of deceased teachers of the school. Present teachers of the school were presented gifts at the event. Alumni from the batch who are holding significant posts in the government were also given a warm reception at the event.
Honesty and good guide or Kanda in Germany 91 batch in the Simi Vasida and beginning of message and a Levak Sita Singawai Hazening, Marandi Karinovo, I call you Portis and Missy. I took him at the Pantavanina. One of the worst electoral behavior in the world, when the Asawaso Pasha Putoga, Port Karagalevaki, Panakalakani have say, I walk the Tazability, and election is an NBC, as a Katan to Kaivada, as a Rampagi, who gives us hard as a message of the National Baby.
People Action Committee against a brutal killing of Pravish Janam at Noida PAC Women Wing today staged a sit-in at Uripokachom Laikai demanding a swift action from government side to deliver justice to the victim. Speaking to media person, the PAC Women Wing convener O. Bimola said, in spite of Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh's direction to take up a formal course, the state government has not done anything. She said Rajnath Singh told the women group that the state government has to hold a cabinet meeting first, only then he can request UP government to hand over the case to CBI. Bimola said that justice has been delayed as the state government and the UP government have been tedious in the process.
Sarkar bu formal oina cabinet decision lor kanda asom da haibira o adu already aina su CBI da sinana ba honage na Rajnath ima taruk ta haira khibalai aduna maram oidana honorable CM na kan hona birega koi Manipur government na cabinet decision ama lor kanda ai koi Pravish Janam haiba marai bak thiraba isa asibo hat khiba matungda amuana sugumba thodo isa kayama mangdana baidamta hatana baidamta koi PAC na changjaliba khongjang asida sarkar na support tawire hairaga mihat pa puthong na baidamta CBI da sinana ba Manipur government na koi cabinet decision lobiro aduga asomda Rajnath thabiro aduga Rajnath na mana paikhatjarage haina hairakpadu thabak oina onthokpiu haibasine koi pressure se.
People of Uripok Bachaspati Laikai today staged a sit-in protest against the authorities of Ramakrishna Mission School Imphal for their allegation on the locals. Speaking to media person, Joint Convener Kanglaipad Thopan Loop G. Tombi Sharma said that a few days ago, some children of the locality went inside the RKMS school compound to fetch a bowl that fell inside. He said the school authority informed the police on the charge of pelting stone at the school. Tombi asserted that the charge is completely baseless. On the other hand, the protester also demanded removal of a Ramakrishna Mission School from the localities and saved the football ground. Sources said earlier there were two government schools at the same area, Uripok Boys High School and Tondonsana Government School, wherein poor students of nearby areas used to study. However, the previous government has forcibly built the existing school and informed the students of previous mentioned school to go to the government school at Lamboy Kongnangkong. The protesters also burnt down effigies of former Education Director Naurem Praveen, former Senior Research Officer T. Gichandra Sarma and Ramakrishna Mission School Secretary Swami Naresh Nanda.
Ramakrishna Mission School se lakpadagi aikhoi gi hanagi chahi yankai humbu gi mamangdagi sanabung ojeramba angangsigi ten kapo bon sanaba ama khudingmak honadan rakpasing asidi asida tumit phau paisin bai yaraktaba asigumba kayadagi pendaba mayamduna ngasi iho asi sangjarakpani koi se phatte habenate yam phaba school ni adu mafam se maptik chadaba aikhoi gi sanabung oibna
JC against the acid attack on Mangsa Tabam Ongbi Manaka in a press release urged the government to take befitting action against the accused Mohammad Sahadat Elias Tomba. The JC condemned the government for not producing the culprit before the court till now and also appealed to all the representatives of the state government to do the needful at the earliest. The two days illegal awareness program held at the conference hall of Meitei Council More concluded today. The program was jointly organized by Legal Aid Clinic of Fast Track Court and Meitei Council More under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Advocate C.H. Nanda and C.H. Bimol Chandra enlightened the public on Right to Education Act and Law and Crimes respectively at the closing event. Members of Meitei Council More also urged the authority concerned that the people of More do not get full benefits under the Act. They said people of the area have to pay money to school authorities to get admission and the children do not get books which are free of charge as per the Act. Additional Session Judge of Fast Track Court Crime Against Women, A. Norton Shori, appealed to the public to raise complaint at the nearby Legal Aid Clinic at first and to further approach District Legal Aid Clinic, Manipur State Legal Service Authority, if the children are still violated on their right under the Act. Kongba River Environment Protection Committee organized a cleanliness drive with the help of Directorate of Environment today. The members of Kongba Club and Maira Paibi cleaned Kongba Market and Kongba River during the drive. Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, after inspecting the drive, said that Kongba River has its own historical significance. However, due to reckless maintenance of the river, it has become a dumping place. He said the condition of the rivers may affect the health of people residing near the river. He also appealed to the public to stop dumping waste materials into the river.
Naturally, amadi akhoi leriba culturally akhoi turian hariba mofam singsta akhoi ipa ipuga akhoi lai gi hagtagi loina ramba aduga akhoi na masigi khungul liba amadi masibu preserve torga Kongba river amadi masigi pareng seda sengtok e har kanda akhoi lai gi oiba amadi akhoi mi gi oiba punamakse phajana thamnanabagi wakhalon amagalona na atop jaga da leriba akhoi sini naw project khudimangna su akhoi turian panda phatabalang dadaba aduga turian manungda natab oidaba fataba poching je thadadana akhoi ni yamna sengna tamnanabagi mission amagalona na matau role model amu oina wenanaba haiduna ngasi akhoi club taret ase pullaga mafam se akhoi na hogdokena chinjabani.
Rani Gaidinlu Birth Anniversary Celebration Committee observed the 103rd birth anniversary of the freedom fighter of Manipur, Rani Gaidinlu, at her birthplace Lungkau of Tamenglong district on 26 January. Speaking on the occasion, President of United Naga Council Gaidong Kamai said that the sacrifices and the contribution of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinlu is forgotten by people of today's generation. To mark the day and to pay respect to the freedom fighter, a mass rally was taken out from Kalungkai to the place where she was buried after her last rites, and a mass prayer was conducted for her soul to rest in peace. Later, in a public meeting, UNC President Gaidong Kamai said the role of Rani Gaidinlu in the struggle for freedom of India has been neglected by the central and the state government till date. Gaidong said that just the title freedom fighter is given to Rani Gaidinlu. He lamented that the state government has also neglected Lungkau village, the birthplace of Rani Gaidinlu, and that no developmental works are taken up in the village. President of Zelengrong, Baudi, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Athon Abonmai, and the leaders of the surrounding villages attended the observance.
Rani Gaidinlu was in Lungkau do Popuni, Masi, freedom fighter ni Hydra, awards Mam Pigrabaso, Magi Maming Budikan Pibire Dubu, practically Kun Asidadi Kari Suto Vidaba, Mantri Mam Lakani, officers Mam Lakani, Agam Matau Mam Lakani, promise Mam Toguni, Kari Suto Viroi, Hingling Edisumon the betray to Viva. Rani ma Gaidinlu na hingling ay sumon the betray to bima magi popular aspiration magi aning ba punumak to vida ba amusu ma sikha ma matong su amuksu insult to viva respect to vida ba punumak asikhalurga akhoi myam nungai bagi mutta harau bagi mutta yamna wakhanda khalurga wakhan nungsizai.
Asian Hospital and Research Institute and Kwakaitel Akamlekai Youth Club today organized a free medical camp at the premises of Asian Hospital and Research Institute today. Addressing the media, MD of the institute, Aribam Kingkem Sharma, said the camp aims to cover the residents of Titim Road. However, it is welcome to all to attend the said free medical service. Further, he said till February 10, free pediatric OPD will be provided in the hospital from today onwards.
Camp asi akoi Asian Hospital and Research Institute amasung Kwakaitel Akamlekai Youth Club ka khutsamnaraga akoi thinjaba camp ni camp asi akoi main pandam hairgadi akoi ge mafam misile leiriba akoi Kwakaitel amasung in and around area da leiriba mayam singsu akoi na health ki free checkup ama facility ma akoi na pijaning ba adong asigi medical camp asida akoi gi specialist nipan gumba yawi akoi medicine surgery gynecologists adigi urologists PMR adagidi ultrasound screening su yauri ultrasound doctor su yauri aduga free hepatitis C amasung B gi checkup su yauri sugar checkup su yauri.
Manipur Photography Club donated eatable and clothing items to Nongpok Kokching All Age Home at Nongada in connection with the 7th Foundation Day of the club today. The members of the club also said a free medical camp will also be conducted at the home soon. And the world of the news. Mandalay women football team defeated the Manipur women football team by 2-0 in the closing match of the 2 days ongoing Indo-Myanmar women-friendly football match 2018 today. In the first half of the match, Mandalay team had a better ball position, putting pressure on the Manipuri team. Though the Manipuri team tried its best to defend the opponent team, Mandalay women team managed their first goal. In the second half of the match, once again the Manipuri women team tried to settle the score. However, they could not and lost to the Mandalay team. While in the first match of the friendly football match played yesterday, Manipur women football team representing India dropped the Sagain Reason women football team of Myanmar by 7-0. Coach of the Manipuri team, M. Ratan Kumar, told Impact News that the Manipuri players did not get enough time to rejuvenate themselves after yesterday's winning match and they could have lowered their performances in today's match.
Masi tasengbadi akoi su ngarang sanu bagi recovery ga khadang yam nakpaga walho dabaga senior player moi amani khadani yawa I junior ga sub junior ga player ngatane ayamba sidang back lines da khoi wing back ani si khadang akoi soiba ta mapung ne police akoi maya gi full back ani sini akoi kano ga lintho ngambi ga mirag sini akon sanai se ade goalie su ngasai gi sallo do bo goni moi chale su mai so yodna do san gi jan first goal su first half si moi yam phajaba ado second half da khoni khitang strategy tawre akoi angang si moi smai ball lo changai nu ni mi thadu edu to da to ado second half si amba akoi ngang si yam he na sanai ado goal convert tawdi ngam hodre simba.
The Manipuri women team told Impact News that they played their best in today's match and though they lost to Mandalay's team, they are equally competent.
Akoi the rest of bogi matam recovery law na ba matam je amata phangi tre koi gi strategy je kaino akoi gi technique se kaino ha je moi ngarang loi yengre ba adu gi yengra matu na moi na game plan taro kana tholok pane ngasi je akoi di ngarang gi lo to recovery to ba loi dringai marak sida thola ga sanari je akoi gi group se ai di yam thaganinge hai tare maram di yam kana thawai yauna sana je ba mina kaino to ba ta ga su lingchen do handa ba hai tare
काउबगी चांस ती फंगेबा अदु काउबो जे लाइबक लेक्तबा हाइगद्रा मीना तुम हेंचलकपदो अदु ओइबे काउबगी कनो चे फंगद्रेबा
चेन बै चांग जे अखोइदा ngarang hena chokthagramina ngasi je fighting tongnorapa kanda moina race se pra leigramina अखोइना खरा वा हाइ तारे ngasi je takhaina ba kanda.
Sports Minister of Mandalay, Min Thoy, wife of Chief Minister of Mandalay, Dr. Yu Mei, and YAS Minister, Government of Manipur, Lepao Haukev, gave a warm reception to the players to launch the match at Mandalar Thiri Sports Stadium, Mandalay. Many crowd from Mandalay gathered at the stadium to witness the match.
Akwai timji thangai sembodi ngarang akhona tare thobini mangsi moina anini average lor gade akhona tare ani do thoirimni ana I congratulate our team. Next time we'll beat them like anything. I congratulate our team.
Moi the Olympic kawo yauraba mi yaurabne wasida aduna akhoi ge su loina mo mi su pikpa adui mathata moi ga sanarakpada khitang ka akhoi ge body weight che moina loi hen manena aduda khitang khang ngamna ba wali adubu akhoi pamnop nop tena lowe aduna masi akhoi amu khona raga kanna mu khara haksang khara phagalaga amu mathang de soina akhoi ka ga ne ha akhoi asa
mayamna loina khangmina ga dawding asi sanai sida Mandalay na kare Manipur na kare haidun nate yam history koina akhoi history ki event sida saruk ya basne hena yam mathau tai national ki chingwo phibam amda sanar ka daini Maitai yasi kanano, Manipuri yasi kanano, sigi football, sigi through the takadarimnina. This is very important than even the sports.
MLA Kakching Y. Surchandra, MLA Kurai L. Susindro and convener of the Act East Policy Manipur R.K. Sivachandra loaded the players and presented cash awards to the players. They told the Manipuri team that if they continue to give similar performances they gave in the two matches, they will bring laurels and futures and encourage them to continue putting efforts. FCI Manipur clinched the 5th Y. Rashmani Memorial Men's Open 7 A-side hockey tournament. In the final match of the tournament organized by YCCIC, Konta Ahlov FCI Manipur defeated Hockey Union Lairit Yengbam Laikai by 4-1. The winner of the tournament was awarded with a cash prize of 50,000 rupees and the running trophy. The runners of the tournament was awarded with 30,000 rupees and the running trophy. While the third position holder of the tournament, SYUC Uchekon Kuno, was awarded with 15,000 rupees. Chief Minister Nongthamam Biren, Veterinary and Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian and PDS and Consumer Affairs Minister Karam Shyam witnessed the final match and handed over awards to the winners of the hockey tournament. And before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren announces cash awards for the toppers in BOSEM and COSEM examination 2018, new website for making available details of Manipuri students outside the state to be launched. Pulse polio immunization launched all across the country. Over 3,000 polio booths set up in 12 districts of the state. Manipur State Kala Academy confers Academy Fellow Award 2014 to Kumantem Prakash and Ketrimayum Ongbi, Thaurani Shabi. Narcotic in affairs of border NAP destroyed poppy plant estimated to be worth around 5 crore rupees yesterday. And Mandalay women football team beats Manipur team in the large match of the two-day Indo-Myanmar friendly football exhibition match.